Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Viewers, here we will talk about the Daraz.pk, and that is the source of online earning in Pakistan. So we will see what is Daraz, how can we create our account, how can we work on it. So for learning it more and more, you have to subscribe my YouTube channel Ahmad Tech and press the bell icon and watch this video till end. So let us start how earn money from Draz.pk in Pakistan. If we see about Draz in Pakistan, it is favorable e-commerce online earning. Draz, Draz. It is preferable, preferable online e-commerce earning online earning e-commerce and earning sites in Pakistan that is spreading its impact very fast. It means spreading very fast in Pakistan. It is an online store that provides you branded clothes. It is online store for the branded clothes for branded clothes and branded perfumes and after it and jewelry and bags and electronic and many more. A lots of things are also provided there. So after it, we will move next. We would see that for creating the seller center, read how to create the seller account. So we will see that how to create its account. We should discuss it here. So let we wait. So for creating account, you have to visit. You have to visit visit the website daraz.pk .pk and click on it. After opening it, click on option. Click on the option become seller. After it, another page, uh, it will redirect you to the seller center. The seller seller center and display you options local seller. Other option would be Daraz Mall seller, Daraz Mall seller, digital goods seller, digital goods seller, or global seller, or global seller. These are the steps. Uh, there are different sellers, and for it, so you can also subscribe our channel.